Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're doing today? My daughter, come on in here, Morgan, is here.
Hello.
And she's gonna be dyeing my hair today. Thank God. I also just wanna let you know that it is Saturday. The family is all here. So you might hear some background noises like the television and if they speak or if there's dogs barking, because I couldn't get them all to leave the house. Okay, well, just so you know, Morgan is going to be dyeing my hair today, and she is not a licensed professional. She's just my daughter who's gonna do this for me. Does it for me all the time. She does a great job, I think. And we are going to be using, let me get my glasses again. It is Clairol, nice and easy, in the color medium reddish blonde, because that is actually my natural color. I know, hard to believe this. It's hard to believe I'm a natural redhead looking like this, but technically I am. Okay, Morgan's gonna get started. Morgan is mixing the color together so that I can be normal again without all that white / gray / orange colors in my hair.
Oops.
Just don't get it on the floor.
No.
Okay, Morgan's ready to begin. I'm so excited. I said I think next year I should not go the entire summer without doing this. Oh, Morgan's new cup from Aunt Stephanie, my sister. It says essential since 8/7/2000, her birthday, because she's an essential. And my sister does sell the cups on Etsy. I will find out what the link is, or I'll get the link from her so that I can link it in case anybody's interested. She really does some cute things, right? Right, Morgan?
Yes.
Okay. Morgan's putting her gloves on.
I will start.
Okay, Morgan's just about done now. How's it looking? So, we need time to process. We'll be back. So as I'm sitting here and reading the box, I realized I think I bought the wrong color. I usually buy light reddish blonde, and I bought medium. I hope it's not too dark. I guess we'll see. Tick, tick, tick. Okay, so now we rinsed it out. I haven't looked at the color yet. I'm a little scared. It wouldn't be the first time that I purchased the wrong color. Morgan's always yelling at me. I always screw up and buy the wrong colors. But here she comes, and we're going to start blow drying it. Hi, Morgan. We're gonna do this together. Oh. Well, guess it's not too dark, is it, Morgan?
Wait till we blow dry it.
Yeah. So Morgan's gonna take the time to comb through it, and we're gonna blow dry it. It always looks different when it's wet, darker, I think, when it's wet. So we will see. Morgan's gonna section off my hair like I'm supposed to do, but I can't do it that way because of my fibromyalgia. So that's why when Morgan does it, it looks so much better than when I do it. Right, Morgan?
Yes.
Definitely. I love when she does my hair. Okay, here she goes. So we're all done. What do you think? I did definitely buy the wrong color. I think this has got more of a brown tint to it, but that's okay. I kind of like it. Something different. I always want something different, and I always pick the wrong thing and absolutely hate it. At least this time I don't hate it. I love you, Morgan. Come on in here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I might go put on some makeup since my hair looks so good. See you in a minute. Hi, everyone. I'm back. I decided to do some makeup since Morgan took all that time to do my hair to finish off the look. What do you guys think? Oh, I even put some earrings on. And look at that. I got some false eyelashes on again. Practice makes perfect. Thank you again, Morgan. I hope you enjoyed our time together. And until the next time, don't forget to subscribe.